the best gift I can give to our children is not just their education, but not depending on them when we get old. It's been a lifetime of being frugal. Hindi kami yung kuripot, pero frugal kami. We're educated consumers. We never buy full price. We always buy on sale. Kasi magse-sale din naman yan eh. Kahit ice cream dito, kung full price tong brand na to ngayon, next week, ano na yan, half the price na yan. We never ate in restaurants. We ate in restaurants, but we had to schedule it. At that time, natatandaan pa ng dalawang anak kong babae na, o noon, once a month lang kami kumakain. I mean, those are the sacrifices. Sino bang ayaw kumain sa labas?
As we have been talking about your life in the US and yung highlight rin is your retirement. And siguro yung question ko sa retirement, no, how long did it take for you to prepare to retire relatively early?
Okay, the planning for retirement started when I worked. You know, it's always the thought of let's save for retirement, okay? Hindi yung ay magre-retire kami in 5 years. Ngayon na tayo mag-umpisa. It's always been a life of frugality for us. We enjoy our life, we have simple pleasures, but then it's always been we've been very frugal that way we can save for retirement. So there's been sacrifices. There were times when we started a new career, pareho kami ng asawa ko, we became nurses, we went to school. There was a time for like 10, 11 years na we weren't traveling by air. You know, we weren't traveling internationally. The travel we did was domestic, whatever we can drive to na nearby states kung saan kami nakatira. Then we would be staying in a friend's house to save on accommodation, friends who are dear to us, who are welcoming us always. Yung ganon. So those are the sacrifices we did. We never ate in restaurants. We ate in restaurants, but we had to schedule it. At that time, natatandaan pa ng dalawang anak kong babae na, o noon, once a month lang kami kumakain. I mean, those are the sacrifices. Sino bang ayaw kumain sa labas, di ba? Pero we had to schedule that to make more savings. So it's been a lifetime of being frugal. Hindi kami yung kuripot, pero frugal kami. We're educated consumers. We never buy full price. We always buy on sale. Kasi magse-sale din naman yan eh. Kahit ice cream dito, kung full price tong brand na to ngayon, next week, ano na yan, half the price na yan. So kung yan lang ang gusto mong ice cream, then next week tayo bumili dahil next week magse-sale yan. Yung ganon, we're always very conscious of cost saving, how we can save money. Yung anak ko noon, gustong-gusto niyang bumili nitong jacket sa Old Navy, no? Tapos sabi ko, anak, full price pa yan eh. Wag na nating bilhin ng mahal-mahal. It's $50, ganyan. $50, sabi, laki-laki na noon. And then after 2 weeks, bumalik kami and then nakita niya, no, oh my God, it's only $15. So, yung ganong experiences, it nare-retain eh. Dahil, oo nga, ano, naniwala siya sa nanay niya kasi pagbalik niya, instead the $50 binayad namin, $15 na lang. So yung mga ganon, it's a lifestyle that we chose to have. That way, meron pa rin kaming comfort kahit hindi na kami nagtatrabaho at wala na kaming kinikita pag nag-retire kami. We're always thinking na mag-ipon tayo sa retirement because I think the best gift I can give to our children is not just their education, but not depending on them when we get old.
Yeah, and I think maybe to some kababayans natin who's watching that, hearing your last line na the best gift that they can give is not to be dependent sa magulang nila. Eh kasi baka to some naipit sa sandwich generation, so they can really feel that. And siguro no, there's just so much that I can ask dun sa what you have shared. Siguro simulan ko sa yung lifestyle of frugality. Where did that come from? Is it something na parang may traumatic na nangyari sa bahay ninyo na kailangan nyo talaga mag-save when you were younger? Or was it imparted by your parents? Or was it because of your situation in the US na kailangan mag-survive and eventually thrive? Kasi in theory, masaya yan, frugality, pero in practice, mahirap eh. So, we want to hear from you about it.
Sa mami ko, mana ko yan. Mami ko is na ano siya, I lost my father before I turned 2. So she was a single mom for most of her life. And so being a single mom, kailangan niya magtipid no, to raise us. So yun, nakuha ko lang yun sa mami ko na, o patayin yung ilaw pag hindi nyo ginagamit, ang tubig, pag naghuhugas kayo, wag dire-diretso ang tubig. It's just those simple things that it caught on. And then pag lalabas kami sa restaurants no, sabihin niya, wag na tayo mag-soft drinks kasi mahal ang soft drinks. Yun, magtubig na lang tayo. Those kind of things. But of course, those certain things then are something that I try to alter na. Kasi minsan, hardcore naman yun eh. Gusto mag-soft drinks sa mga anak ko, pwede naman mag-soft drinks. Kumbaga, hindi ko naman kahihirap ang soft drinks. Pero what I'm just telling you is, it was the lifestyle that my mom had, that I got from my mom, which I really appreciate. Kasi, halimbawa, plan your trips. Kasi, kung pabalik-balik ka, design sa gasolina. Lahat yon. I mean, it's been my mom has a big influence in my life regarding saving. Wala naman kaming traumatic experience. She raised us well. She's provided us with so much. But she's able to do that because of her frugality as well. Kasi kung hindi siya nagtitipid, then wala siyang bibigay sa amin. So doon ko lang nakuha. Wala naman akong traumatic experience.
And I'm sure your daughters caught that. Especially yung
Oo.
tinuro mo yung sa jacket na from $50 naging $15. Imagine, few weeks
Yeah.
lang 70 off na. So,
Oo,
it pays to
ganon.
listen to the mom.
Yeah. True. Yung ano nga, yung bunso ko eh. Oh, switch off the lights, turn off the lights, turn off the lights. Sinasabi niya yun sa lolo't lola niya. sa father side niya. Anya, ikaw talaga para kang mami mo.
Which is a good thing. At least, bata pa lang, they know the value of yung sa mga kuryente. Kasi, to
Mm-mm.
some, sa mga anak, kasi dahil hindi sila yung nagbabayad or nagtatrabaho, hindi nila ramdam eh. It's good
Oo,
that they have that agad.
totoo.
Yeah. Also pala, you shared kanina na you are frugal pero hindi kuripot. I mean, that is a good statement na to some people, parang iisa lang siya. But I
Mm-mm.
also agree with that eh, na hindi ka madamot, hindi ka kuripot, pero wise ka lang. But can you explain further that you can be frugal pero hindi kuripot and the like?
Mm-mm. Frugality is, just living life, being practical in your expenditures, buying things on sale, buying vegetables that are, buying in bulk, yung mga ganyan. Pero yung kuripot, nagkukuripot, halimbawa, may potluck, tapos dadalhin mo lang, tinapay, yung ganon. Hindi ako ganon. I'm generous to a fault. So, pag yung mga ganong giving, I am generous. Pero yung frugality, and I'm able to be generous because of my frugality. You know, there is a difference in, I may be depriving myself of things at a certain time because I have to wait for it to go on sale, but then I get them anyway, no? But then when I give when until it hurts. Kasi I always believe that giving should be hurting eh. Kasi parang hindi ka nagbigay kung hindi ka nasaktan, 'di ba? Pero nagbigay ka, kung halimbawa, kung ₱5 lang ang binigay mo sa simbahan, bale wala naman sa yung ₱5, liit-liit na nun. Pero kung nagbigay ka ng 500, that hurts you, 'di ba? So when it hurts you, it means it's taking away something valuable to you, pero binigay mo yon. That to me is giving. So that, I don't know if that you see the difference, but I'm able to give generously because of the frugality that we have instilled in our family, in our life. Yun ang difference. If that
Yeah,
makes
I
sense.
agree. The
Mm.
reason why you can give because you have allocated your money in giving. Kasi nga,
Mhm.
kung hindi ka nag-save or naging wise spender, wala kang mabibigay.
Wala akong mabibigay, oo.
Right, right, right.
Iba yung nagkukuripot sa nagtitipid ka lang, yung gano'n. Nagtitipid ka para meron kang ibigay.
Yeah, yeah.